Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Ikram Zai. Today I will teach you people a polycrest remedy, that is sepia officinalis, made from cuttlefish. And first of all, I would like to show you people the three keynote symptoms. The first one is indifference, apathetic, and the second was generally patient is chilly and thirstless, and she does not complain. And most of the ailments are related with women's, so we can say that it is the remedy generally suited to almost all ailments of the women's. If we found these mental generals and physical generals in any patient with almost any gynecological problem, then we can prescribe sepia officinalis. With sepia, I will try my level best to compare it with other remedies, and where we can individualize our patient to prescribe these homeopathic remedies. So first of all, how we will understand just by looking our patient whether our patient is of sepia or not. So sepia is generally weak lady, yellow saddle spots, or you can say gray spots across the nose like here. And you people maybe see during pregnancy, most of the women are complaining about facial like freckles, but here is a gray or yellow saddle across the nose. Okay? And earthy yellow complexion, a very weak lady, and this is almost a constitution of the patient. It's a great anti-psoriatic and anti-psychotic remedy. Very important, come up with mental general. Mentally, she have aversion to work. Okay? Aversion to any kind of work, and mentally she doesn't have natural love towards loved one, like family members, like her husband, like her children's. And most of the time she will incline to lie down, no desire to any work, but she work for one reason, that is with heavy work or overexertion all the ailments are getting ameliorated. That's what she's doing work, otherwise she doesn't have like every lady have desire to work, like keeping her household very well, but in sepia you can't see such things, such mental state. Very another important, she will weep for a minute with no cause. If someone console her, she will get offended easily and anger on him. Okay, so consolation, aggravation, weeping, tearful mood, consolation, aggravation. What we read in pulsatilla, weeping, tearful mood, consolation, amelioration. In FOS, consolation, amelioration. But in sepia and natramure have consolation, aggravation. Okay? And also there is consolation, aggravation in D grade in Staphysageria. Okay? So weeping, tearful mood, no need to work, just lie down. So, and no love with husband and children. And you can think of how many women who got divorce, yeah. So sepia can be the remedy. Okay. So no man like me will keep such kind of woman in a home. Sad and gloomy, fear of being alone, anger, easily offended, despair, and suicidal dispositions like also Ormet is not only remedy have suicidal dispositions or thought. So sepia have a fear of disease and like something evil is going on with my disease, and she is despair of recovery. There is hopelessness with suicidal disposition. Okay. So now come up with physical jungle. So when you read materia medica, try to learn and memorize mental general and physical general of every remedy. Most of the polyphys remedies have these mental generals and physical generals. So our is a holistic approach, and general symptoms are those symptoms which related with the whole of the organism. Okay. So physical general, generally patient is very chilly, but whenever she has anxiety or fear, she will feel a tremendous heat in her face. Okay, but generally patient is chilly. Okay. Desire salt, acid, sweet, right? And she has aversion to fat, rich food, and salty food, milk, meat, and very important, in a morning sickness during pregnancy, she has nausea feeling with smell of any kind of cooking. Okay? Another two remedies are very important. Whenever patient with any complaint telling you people that I cannot endure a smell of food, especially cooking, so colchicum and arsenicum album. These two remedies are very important to be understood. So she is chilly and thirstless. Canine hunger. There is canine hunger or no appetite. So there is all gone sensation in the epigastric of the patient, and this symptom also you can found in ignitia, murex, and sepia. Okay. So all the time she will prone to eat this and that. Okay. Another very important guiding symptom now come up with guiding symptoms like sensation of ball in inner parts, whether there is a problem of uterus, there is constipation problem, hemorrhoids, any gynecological problem, she will complain a ball sensation, a weight, a heaviness. So another guiding symptom with every type of gynecological problem, there is bearing down sensation. That is very important. Bearing down sensation. So in your clinic, during pain, your patient will sit like across, like cross the leg. Okay? While crossing leg, she will sit, because she has a feeling of expelling out all organ from the uterus. Okay? So there is bearing down sensation. There is a heavy weight or ball sensation in anus during hemorrhoid or constipation. So it's a very good remedy for constipation during pregnancy also. So all ailments during pregnancy, before and after menses, so you people can prescribe this remedy. Sensation of ball in any part, being down sensation, coldness of vertex during headache. It's a very peculiar symptom. Patient will complain that I have a chilliness feeling in my vertex during headache. So there are other remedies which have a feeling of heatness in the vertex. What are
sulfur?
Sulfur, yes, graphitis and calcirica will have warmth feeling in the vertex during headache. But sepia is the only remedy having such headache was during menses. Okay? Headache was during menses, and all headache or pain will ameliorate with heart pressure and with overexertion. Amelioration with overexertion is a very peculiar state. Like even it's a very good remedy for breathlessness for respiratory ailments. But patient will say you, with the dancing and with rapid walking, I am feeling well. Okay, so you people
Patient must be a dancer.
do not ask question from your patient to confirm CPR that whether you are dancing while respiratory problem or rapidly walking. Okay, so this is not this is a very peculiar state. An intellectual patient can only tell you about this. Okay, tight collar cannot tolerate like this. Okay? Like I am not sepia. This is open, but I am not sepia. Sorry, but tight collar cannot be tolerated by Lexis, like by Lexis
and sepia.
What? I'm not feeling well. Okay. Tight collar cannot tolerate sepia and Lexis are very important. All bone sensation, epigastric and irregular menses, whether menses are late or early or flow is scanty or profuse, painful. But what you need to see the whole picture of sepia. Whenever you see the whole picture of sepia in any elements of gynecological problem, and you can prescribe sepia. Sepia and murex are two sisters, but there is a distinguishing symptom among these two. Murex is nymphomanic, and sepia have aversion to sex. Okay, so this is very important. Other, you will also see all bone sensation is in murex, bearing down sensation is in murex, and desire to lie down is in murex. Okay. So thank you so much. We will meet during another lecture.